Hi, it's Jeff Meyer, and today we're doing a little drive-through here at the Grand Landings, and this is put on by Landmark Properties and HomeLotPackages.com. New construction is kind of what I specialize in, and that in land, and I've spoken with a lot of their salespeople here, and this is a very hot community. Currently, Phase 2 just opened up. There's 300 homes that have been built so far, 800 total lots when everything is done. Great little community. Like I said, it is gated. Nice oversized lots. We looked at one the other day, and I believe it was 70 foot wide by about 130 feet deep, but they vary depending on where they are in the block. Yeah, enjoy this. It's just gorgeous little spot. And location is fantastic. Again, like I said, it's off Seminole Woods Parkway, which is about 2 miles south of Highway 100, Moody Boulevard. And so you're like 3 minutes to get to I-95. Not bad at all. And 6 miles to the beach, so you're less than 10 miles to the beach. It's Flagler Beach. Again, exit 100, which is the closest exit to the beach off I-95 from Miami to Maine. We're coming up here on Dreamfinders, who's the only builder in here now. A great builder. They're out of Jacksonville. They do about 1,500 homes a year. High quality, nice homes. We toured a couple of them the other day. Very impressed. They do a good job. One thing nice about this community also, all the infrastructure's in, and there is no CDD fee. The CDD fee basically means that the owners, they pay for everything that's been done here. But no, the developers paid for everything, so all your underground utilities, all your lighting, all your roads, they've already been paid for. So it's a real nice feature. It's got a great HOA. It's $87 a month, and which is extremely low for what you get here. Beautiful community, underground utilities. There's a recreation area, pool, dog park. Just got a little bit of everything here. I remember I was here 5 years ago when this was all dirt. Developers did a fantastic job here. Price points in this neighborhood are going to be anywhere from $250,000 to $400,000, and you'll see the homes. They're gorgeous, good quality homes. Community has fiber optics, so if you work from home, which is big now, very high-speed internet. And location, again, is fantastic. We're probably 2 miles from the hospital, and again, close to the beach. Okay, this was the main area, the main development. It was the Phase 1 we just passed through. Again, over here to my right is the amenities package with the little playground and dog park and pool. And this is the second phase, and you'll start seeing, the road's done here, so they're starting to build. A little bit to the left here, they just finished all the roads, and we're going to go off to the right, and you'll see where the roads are still being completed. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been here. There's also going to be a new owner's gate on the west side of this development that'll take you right to Belterre, which is comes in over by Target and Starbucks and Grand Reserve Golf Course. So definitely worth checking out. If you guys have any questions, give me a call. I'll include my contacts below, website, and we'll also include some of the sample of some renderings of the homes and maybe some photos, high resolution photos also. Check them out. Definitely worth coming out and checking out. Give us a call and we'll schedule an appointment. We'll come out here and show it to you. And again, don't forget Landmark Properties and HomeLotPackages.com. Have a great day. Cheers.